Hello, great farmers. I salute each and every one of you. This is into Organics, and then the name is Daniel Nyanweke. Yes, this is a very simple catfish farm that I've done in my house. Yes, you can see this is a barrel that I use in the house, and then we have an old water bath. I decided not to throw it away, but rather make good use of it. So this is a very simple setup. Now, what happens is that I have a stopper here, right? So if I want water, if I want to fill the pond with water, I only open the stopper like this. Then you can see the water flow. Yes. I do this purposely for air, for oxygen to flow through. Yes. Then I close it. Yes. Now, if I want to change the water in the pond, yes. If I want to change the water in the pond, I have an outlet down here. Yes, I have an outlet down here. So I come to open the outlet. Yes, I'm opening the outlet. I've opened the outlet. So let's see. The water is flowing, and then I'm going to plant ginger here. As an organic farmer, I'm going to plant ginger here. Then the water will be used in irrigating the ginger. So basically, this is what I've done. This is a very simple setup that I think everybody can as well do it. You can see very